Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In 1978, at a religious commune called Jonestown in Guyana, over 900 members of the People's Temple movement died after ingesting a flavoured drink called Kool-Aid, which had been laced with deadly cyanide. It was the biggest mass suicide ever. Since then, when we talk about people, usually groups of people, drinking the Kool-Aid, we mean that these people have basically been buying into an idea or a system that you think is bad. You think these people have been going along with the crowd, going along with what's expected of them, even if what they're going along with is basically poisonous, basically deadly. So you might say, for example, the sellers must have been drinking Kool-Aid when pricing their houses, meaning that they've priced these houses ridiculously high. It's a kind of act of financial madness to price houses this high. They'll never sell. You might say the investors in all of the startup companies back in the 2000s must have been on the Kool-Aid when they were pouring all that money into so many stupid companies. And I guess you might also say, I can't believe how many people around me have been busy necking, quickly drinking the official government Kool-Aid. I can't believe how many people have basically just been consuming the poison that's being pumped out. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps more people see what we do. Please do share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comment section below, please share any examples of how you might use drinking the Kool-Aid.